Hey, how's it going? This is Owen. Hopefully you're all doing well out there. And in today's video, we have a solo review of the Leesa Sapira Hybrid Mattress. Leesa is one of the oldest, most long-standing online mattress brands. They have over 10 beds at this point, and this is their actual original hybrid mattress. There's a lot to like about it, and we're going to cover everything you need to know, including what it's actually made of, what it feels like to sleep on, how firm it is, how much it costs, and who might actually want to get one for themselves. If that sounds good and you find this video helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That really helps us out, and we appreciate it. And there'll be a lot more information down below in the description to help you with your online mattress search, including full written reviews, brand guides, and discounts. But without further ado, let's get into the review.
At the Slumber Yard, you know we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
All right, so let's get into it by quickly covering the policy info for the Leesa Sapira Hybrid Mattress. And this is gonna be the same no matter what mattress you purchase from Leesa if you decide to go with something else. So you're gonna start with free bed-in-a-box shipping. Unboxing a mattress is generally pretty quick and easy to do, although we pretty much recommend having a friend there to help you out no matter the size of the mattress, because it makes the process go a lot more smoothly, especially if you're getting a larger size like a queen or a king. Don't expect too much of an off-gassing process with this mattress. It uses pretty thick coils, so it should snap into shape very quickly. Just know night one, it might feel a little bit soft in comparison to night two. Once the bed arrives at your door, you get 100 nights to test it out at home to determine if you like it or not. If you don't within that trial period, you can return it and get a full refund, which is fantastic. And if you decide to keep the bed, which you probably will if you're doing all your research and watching this video, you're looking at a standard 10-year warranty. This set of policies is kind of the minimum set you should expect if you decide to order a mattress online. But enough about that stuff. Let's get into the more important stuff now, like what this mattress is actually made of and what it's gonna feel like for you to sleep on. So hybrid is in the name of this mattress, so you would expect it to use coils for its primary support base. The coils are pretty thick and they're actually extra reinforced along the edges, which is really cool. So you actually get reinforced edge support on this mattress, which is great for couples. So you're gonna be getting some extra bounce and long-term support and durability thanks to those coils. We generally recommend if you're a heavier person to get a coil mattress like this for that reason. And then right above that coil layer, you will have a thin layer of transition foam. This is a very common design element for mattresses like this. It's really there just to ensure that you feel only the bounce and support from the coils, not the coils themselves, because feeling the coils isn't all that comfortable. And then right above that, you have a thick layer of memory foam. This is here to add some extra pressure relief to the mattress. And then the primary comfort layer is a more neutral responsive foam that's actually perforated to improve airflow. So the entire construction of the mattress adds up to give the Leesa Sapira Hybrid more of a soft, neutral hybrid feel overall that I think is going to be very accommodating for the vast majority of people out there. Just kind of unassuming, it doesn't really go for a specific feel like a memory foam feel or ultra responsive latex foam feel. Most people who try it out generally like it a lot. And a feel like this is really nice for people who maybe don't have a specific feel in mind with their mattress, or for couples who maybe can't quite agree on one. Because even though it does have that memory foam layer in its construction, that's not the predominant feel of the mattress. Just very accommodating and comfortable. Moving on to the subject of firmness, this is obviously another really important factor, and this mattress should be plenty accommodating for virtually all sleeper types. We have it right between a medium and a medium firm on our firmness scale, which means whatever position you sleep in, especially for couples and combo sleepers, you should be pretty much good to go. If you are more of a back sleeper or stomach sleeper looking for something especially firm, you might want to look elsewhere. And if you are looking for a ton of pressure relief in your mattress, you also might want something softer. A firmness profile like this just generally works pretty well for most folks out there, especially for couples and combo sleepers. Leesa does make other mattresses with more specific firmness options. We'll try and link those down below in the description if you're curious. So I've already mentioned couples a few times in this video. So how does it perform in the categories of edge support and motion isolation? I also mentioned the edge support earlier because the coils on the outer edge are actually extra reinforced. So really good rating on edge support. I don't see any issues there, even if you're sharing a smaller mattress. Motion isolation, on the other hand, is just gonna be okay because this is a hybrid bed that uses more responsive foams. It's not gonna do a great job at isolating cross mattress motion, especially in comparison to say like an all foam memory foam bed. So if you are an especially light sleeper, maybe that'll be an issue for you, but I think it'll do just fine for most people. Moving on to the subject of pricing. The MSRP for a queen size Leesa Sapira Hybrid is around $2,000, which is a fairly high price point. However, it will go on discount pretty much year round, and I think you should expect to pay closer to the $1,700 mark when all is said and done. And that $1,700 price point does compare pretty favorably to other really nice hybrid beds that we like over here, like the Soffit Classic and the Wing Bed mattress. Make sure you look down below in the description for up-to-date pricing and discounts on this mattress. Mattress pricing does change pretty frequently, so this price is as of when I'm recording this video, so be sure to look down there. And that's pretty much going to do it for today's review. As far as who should be interested in the Leesa Sapira hybrid mattress, I think someone who has a bit more money to spend on their new mattress and someone who's looking for something generally quite accommodating in terms of firmness and feel, that is also a great option for couples. I could see someone who is really looking to upgrade their sleep setup to purchase something like this because it is just a cut above a lot of the more affordable mattresses you can buy online while still being just really accommodating and comfortable. But let us know what you think. Write us down below in the comments section. We'd love to get your thoughts on the Leesa Sapira hybrid mattress. Make sure you check out the description box below. There's a lot of info down there to help you with your online mattress search, including our full written review of this mattress and a lot more info about Leesa's whole mattress lineup. If you found this video helpful or interesting in any way, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That really helps us out and we appreciate it. But that's going to do it for me. This is Owen. I'll see you in the next one.
You've been watching my Slumber Yard. My Slumber Yard. My Slumber Yard. Slumber Yard. Come on now. My Slumber Yard. Like and subscribe.